Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to change your MacBook folder size, color, and also its direction or different way to display. So if you are very beginner and you have just started using MacBook, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So here you can see that right now I am on my MacBook font screen or just in welcome page that everyone as usual see when they open their MacBook. So you can see that my folder size is very large. They're not organized. It looks very unprofessional. And as a new user, you will also face this same issue, or you may get this issue by someone any mistake as you are very beginner. And here I'm going to share very easy and step-by-step guideline to change this folder icon size and also rearrange it. So how you can do this? First of all, you have to double click on with your two finger on the touch bar. Okay, then you can see that here's a dialog box. There are multiple options to take action. So from here we're going to click on the show view option, and then you can see that start by sort by icon size. You see my icon size is very large. I'm going to change it, make it small. I think it's perfect. Yes, it's okay. Also grid spacing, we have to increase the grid spacing. So you see, I have also changed the grid spacing. Then we can also control the track size. For example, you see, we can change this text size. Yes, we can make it more small. I think 12 is perfect. Then label position, bottom or right, we can add it bottom or right as you like. Show item info, we can also display the item info, you see. Okay, then we can also sort by last date open, you see, last date open, or we can sort by date added, you see. We can do this, or you can sort by modify or date created, you see. Here is the folder, everything also struck kind. Okay, then in the same way we can also add others option in here. For example, with tag, with date created, you see, or keep it null. So I hope you understand how we can do this. Okay, right bottom looks good, and if you want we can make it a little bit larger. I think it's perfect right now and looks good. So I think right now you have understand everything, how to change your folder icon size or anything. But this tutorial is only to show you how we can change the position of this folder icon size type, and I believe that you have understand everything how you can do this. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant website design, digital marketing, then you can contact with me, especially if you have started any e-commerce business site or you want to start, then you can connect with me to get free consultation service and support. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.